Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Datadog, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Datadog website at www.datadoghq.com. On the homepage, look for the Get Started or Try Datadog Free button. Click on that button to proceed to the registration page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password for your Datadog account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided space. After filling out the required fields, check any necessary consent boxes. Look for the Create Account or Sign Up button and click it. Once you submit your information, check your email for a verification message. Open the verification email and click on the confirmation link inside. After confirming your email, return to the Datadog website. Log in using your registered email and the password you set up. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Datadog dashboard. Review the available subscription plans and their features. Select the plan that best fits your needs by clicking on the corresponding Get Started or Select button. Follow the on-screen prompts to provide any additional required information. You may need to enter billing information, such as credit card details. Review your order summary before finalizing the subscription. You will receive a confirmation email once your subscription is successful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.